morning students. Today we are going to learn a story from course book and the name of the story is Dinner by Moonlight. It is written by Ruskin Bond and it is taken from Rusty and the Magic Mountain. So do you know what is dinner? Dinner is the meal what we take at night. And you know that you can see the moon only in the night sky and the moon gives us light also. So dinner by moonlight means when we take our meal at night under the open sky when there is moonlight. So taking dinner under the open sky is quite adventurous. And adventures are always mysterious. So, do you have any experience of any adventure where there is full of mystery? So, this is the story of an adventure. Now, we will start the story. You can see in the picture that there are three friends and the names are Rusty, Pitambar and Popat. They are trekking on a mountain which name is Witch Mountain. Now trekking means when you are going up the hill by walking and it is the peak in the Kuman Hills. Means it is the highest top of Kuman Hill which is close to Chakrata. It's a name of a place. They are spending the night at the forest rest house. Rest house is where you can take rest when you are tired of trekking. And in the rest house there is an attendant or caretaker. You can see in the picture that he is a caretaker. He is a one-eyed man. One-eyed man means he had lost one of his eye and he can see by one eye only. And he introduced himself as Kali Topi or black hat. You can see that he is wearing a black hat. So he gives his name by this hat. Black hat lit a wonderful bonfire that night. Bonfire means when we use wood to lit a fire. And people use this bonfire in the cold areas to keep themselves warm. You know that in the hilly areas, in heavy winter, sometimes the snowfall happens. And for the snowfalls, sometimes the leaves of the trees, it can be the oak leaves, pine cones and branches of the trees fall down. And with the combined of this, the bonfire become more brighter. The flames leaped up and casting an orange glow on the faces of the boys. We know that the color of the flame is orange and it makes a glow on the faces of the boys. Black Hat's demonic countenance was given an even more deadly sting by the flickering firelight. Demonic countenance means an evil expression. And devil's sting means a little feeling of evil. And flickering means a light that goes brighter and lighter. So in this firelight which is going brighter and lighter and with Black Hat's evil expression, they have the feeling of evil. And Black Hat was so eager to keep the fire going that he was almost going to burn his beard. Now Rusty asks that why feel safe under the hat, and he never leave the hat alone in the rain or snow, outdoor or indoor. He always wear his hat. They had a strong connection.